This is the demonstration video for the smart Beehive project. Here I am just going to show my proof of concept. So the thing is, currently we have a quick feather board here, which is connected to ESP32, and which will be powered using the lithium-ion battery. Here I am using 200 mAh battery and solar panel. So this will be enclosed in a housing and kept near to the smart Beehive, where in which it will get the data from the Beehive, like audio data, and start it samples the data, and accordingly it generates using the model. It generates the inference and sends it to the ThinkSpeak cloud. Here we have a ThinkSpeak cloud here, where we have the visualization of model number and the classification. So, and this is the value for the uh, so this is the ThinkSpeak demonstration, and here we have a serial monitor running whether there is a change in the data. So what I'm doing is I'm sending the JSON data from here and deserializing it using ESP32 and showing it here. So yeah, so I'll just show the demonstration of queen piping, so which is a new queen being sown in the bee honeybee's nest. So this is the audio data for that. So here you can see that queen piping is coming, so which says that so it has inference over the data, and it is correctly guessing it is like that.